Dear student, let's start the chapter Democracy in India. In this chapter, in previous video, we discussed about the universal adult franchise, election, general election, midterm election, by-election, secret ballot. Okay. In this video, we discuss about the term majority. Majority means what? The party or the group of parties which has more than 50% of the seat share of the house is said to have absolutely majority and it forms the government. Majority means what? The party who got the more votes or the 50% of the seat share of the house. Okay, that party is called majority. The word majority means also maximum. Next, what is the term? Is now the meaning of term is candidate. Candidate means what? A person who wishes to contest in the election and gets his name registered for the purpose is called a candidate. A person who wishes to contest, it means what? A person who participate in election, okay, and who register his or her name as a some party candidates, or he can put independent party also. Okay, next, he or she has to fulfill the condition laid down by the constitutions to be eligible to contest. It means what? The persons or the candidate who contest in the election, he or she should be follow all rules made by constitution. Okay, next, he or she allotted on election symbol, so even people who cannot read and write can recognize the symbol on the voting machine. It means what? Our election commission or our election commissioner allotted a symbols, a particular symbols for each and every candidate. What is why the symbols are very helpful to us? Because even the people who cannot read and write can recognize the symbol on the voting machine. Okay, next is the term is that political parties. What is political parties? These are a group of people who agree on some policies, formulate on an agenda and program for the society with a view to promote collective good. These are the group of people. Okay, some group of people who agree on some rules and regulations and formulate on as an agenda and program for the society. It means they give many promises to did some work for society or for peoples, and they view to promote the collective good. And next, political parties seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through election. To get win in the election, party implement their promises or yes, they implement their promises and winning for winning popular support through the election. Next, what are the function of these political parties? Okay, they contest election by putting up their selected candidates from different constituency, and they contest election. Okay, the political parties contest election through a candidate. Okay, they represent a candidate to for election, and the political parties offer different policies and programs and give choice to the voters through the announcement of manifesto, and they give many program and give choice to the voter, and they make many policies for a betterment of society. Next, third one is that they organize and hold election rallies and door-to-door campaigning to advertise their parties, okay, or their candidate for a better result, for a better election result, they organize and hold elections, rallies and door-to-door campaigning, and these are done to spread their agenda on governments and policy they promise to implement if elected to power. In this meeting or in this campaigning, they promise or to implement their promises. Okay, if elected to power. If they elected to power, the political party whose number of candidates elected is more than the other is called the majority party, and those with lesser number of elected candidates is called a minority party. It means what? In election, the party who get more votes is called majority party, and who got lesser vote or who got lesser number of vote compared to other is called minor party. Okay, next, when the majority party forms and runs the government, the majority party forms and runs the government and takes big policy decision, and they select and appoint their minister to run the government as per their needs, and they play a decisive role in making law for the country. It means what? The majority party runs the government and take a important and maximum decision of our country or of our government, and they appoint there some minister in different fields. Next, the political party which does not get majority plays the role of opposition in parliament. Okay, so opposite party, the what is the meaning of opposite party? It means what? The political party which does not get majority. Okay, they are play the opposition in parliament. They critically examine the policies and bills introduced by the government. What are the this function of the opposition? It is the function of the opposition is that they critically examine the policies and bills introduced by the government, and they raise the question to the government and on their failures and wrong policy. If government do some or did some wrong or wrong policy or they get failure, then opposition parties have the rights to ask question to the government. They shape public opinion as they raise and highlight important issues which they feel are not acted upon by the government, and also opposition party raise their opinion or highlight in important issues. So these are the function of what? The opposition party. Next, we study about the term coalition government. If a situation arises that no political party gets enough members to form the government, then a few political parties join together to the form government. Okay, in case of suppose a party do not get sufficient votes to form a government, on that case, the on that case few political parties join together to form the government. Okay, so the political party that is in majority who got the majority or the coalition party in the majority elects their leader. Okay, the political party that is in the majority or the coalition party, okay, in majority elect their, means it means what? The majority party or the coalition party have rights to elect their leader. Okay.